Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tcash FPV. Still on the beginner's guide on what to buy and what to avoid in the FPV hobby as a beginner. Today I'll be talking about the radiomaster Ranger micro module, which is an ELRS module. ELRS stands for Express LRS, but we're not talking about the flashing today. I just want to show you what is inside the box and also how the RP1 and RP2 receiver looks like. Subsequently, we'll be discussing on how to flash ELRS. Today I'm not talking about the flashing of the ELRS firmware on this module. I'm just unboxing it to show you what the module looks like and everything in the box. It comes with a manual where you just scan the QR code and take you to the official site so you can read the user manual for this module. And this works on every transmitter with a standard GRB, not something like the Light Radio 3 with a nano bay. So you have to understand that you need to check your transmitter bay to understand what kind of module it supports. So this supports a standard GRB on any TX with a GRB. This comes with Type-C port for flashing the firmware and also powering this module when you are flashing over the Wi-Fi, and it comes with an XT30 port. It's not advisable to power it from the XT30 port, because you can still power it, the transmitter can still power the module from this GR pin. It also comes with a T antenna. It's advisable you put on the antenna before you power this module. Two other antennas for the RP1 and RP2, and also a connecting wire for the three receivers. It comes with the RP1, which uses an external antenna. It also comes with heat shrink. So after soldering, this is after soldering the wires and everything, putting on the antenna, just put it inside and heat shrink the receiver so it doesn't breach when you install it in your quad. It comes with an external antenna. This is a very tiny receiver. As you can see, a SIM card is even bigger than this. It's just like the size of a micro SIM. The RP2 receiver comes with an onboard antenna. Doesn't have external antenna like the RP1, but they function the same way. So if you want to have this on a very small quad, it's also very tiny, the same size with this one, with the micro SIM, but it doesn't have external antenna. So guys, this is everything inside the Ranger module. I'll make a video about flashing ELRS firmware on this and also installing it on my TX16S. I'll be uploading other amazing content on FPV. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. And also after the beginner series, I'll be uploading my flight videos from the HD drone I'll be using. Thank you very much.